Hello, hello. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're returning, welcome back. I'm Danielle, and it's great to have you guys here. Today I'm going to be doing a quick plan with me in my Erin Condren hourly. I'm going to be using this sticker kit right here from my shop, which is a novel plan. And I'm just going to be using one of my hourly kits. This is the Leap into Fall kit, and I love the pastel colors in this. Link to the shop is in the description below if you're interested. So I'm going to be doing a quick plan with me today. It's not going to be anything over the top. It's just kind of to get my plans down for the week. Ooh, do I want to put it right there? I think I do. So I haven't been on here a whole lot lately. I have been busy with all the things at home. I have been getting my girls into school. I opened a business, which has been going great. I am so appreciative for everybody and their support. I am in an upcoming sale in October, which is very exciting. The weekend of October 7th, I am going to be in the Planners Collaborative sale, which is so much fun. I'm going to have 25% off my entire shop. So be on the lookout for that. If you follow me on social media, I will be posting a lot more details over there. I will probably post on my YouTube channel a little bit, just kind of letting you guys know all the details, everything that's going on. But yeah, it's the weekend of October 7th, and it's a 4 or 5 day sale, so it's quite a long sale, but I am going to have so many goodies by then. I have Christmas kits, I have Thanksgiving, I'm going to have some anytime kits, and I'll have kits for the vertical, the hourly, and the A5 daily duo, lots of icon scripts, so be on the lookout for those. Anyways, this is going to be very quick and easy this week. I don't think I'm going to use the weekly tracker, but I am going to use the habit trackers. It is almost fall here. I am so excited. Like, fall is so close here in Michigan. We are, I think we had our last like 80-degree day like yesterday. So I am just waiting for it to cool down. Today is supposed to be super rainy. I am just ready to take this weather and have it go away because I want my fall. I'm going to take, I think, one of these, put it right there, and I'm just going to use this as a to-do list, if I can get my pen to work. There we go. I like having the to-do list in my sidebar. There we go. And then, honestly, I'll probably just do little snippets like that. Nice and simple and easy. Okay, so let's see, let me grab my handy dandy ruler and kind of portion off the day a little bit. So I'm going to do just the normal things that I do all day every day. So I'm going to portion off my dinner here at 5 p.m. I am going to do pickup and drop off at 8 and 3. And I'm going to do that for all 5 days of the week, and I will be right back. Okay, so I did make a little mistake right there and had to white out, which is fine. I also decided to portion off my lunch just because I'm home by myself and it helps me to kind of time block my day a little bit. I'm going to take these little silverware icons and I'm going to put them right at the dinner time hour because I like how it looks, and covering up the little 5 p.m. I think it just looks good. And they fit perfectly over them. So I realized that this week my kids have a half day on Friday. I mean, it's harder for me because I can't get as much stuff done, but it is what it is. I thought about portioning off my breakfast too, just to maybe time block completely. You know what? I think I'm gonna do it. I just think that if I already did the other two, I might as well go all the way and do all of them if I can do my pen the correct way. On the weekends, I typically don't plan completely like in my planner for breakfast or lunch because a lot of times we're like all over the place on the weekends with sports and things like that. So dinners I can plan out because we do our best to be home for dinner. So I'm just going to do it like that. Okay. And then I think I'm going to put my weekend banner at the top of Saturday and Sunday, just because why not? Let's see, maybe like that is the weekend. Okay, so into the day by day. All right, so Monday, I drop off the girls at 8. I am going to try to work out 4 days this week. Emphasize the word try because I'm not feeling the best. It is that time of the month and I am just slow and groggy, and I'm going to try to get there. If I get there, great. If not, then it's in here and I will just cross it out. And then after the workout, I'm going to come home and hopefully get some work done. But I don't know. I'm probably going to do it at the 1 p.m. hour. So I'm going to go over to this sheet. I'm going to take some of these skinny boxes. I think I'm going to take the orange and the green and the yellow for this first day. And I think I'm going to put it at the 1 p.m. hour right here. Hopefully I can get a couple of good hours of work in here. Oh man, that one's crooked again. I don't really think I care too much. There we go. And I do have work scripts from my shop that I'm going to pull in and put right over there. I like adding the boxes because it just adds a little bit of color instead of just like black and white. And then I'll probably use maybe some of the checklists, but like cut them down a little bit. Let's see. Maybe not today. I think what I'm gonna do is just pull this guy in right here, because I don't want to add too much color because then it looks a little too cluttered for my liking, at least this week. There are some weeks where I like putting that down, just not always. Okay, I'm only going to do the 1 day because it's going to take a second and that's boring. So, and then I'm going to kind of color them in just to add some definition. Okay, that's what I'm going to do on all of them. And then this day, I actually have, on Monday, so on Monday, I actually have to meet with one of my coaches. So I'm a division coordinator for my soccer league. And I have 18 coaches that I, help update and get all their gear. And if they have any questions, then I'm their go-to person. Anyways, I have to get some information to one of my coaches. So I have to meet him around 4:30ish. And then we have soccer on this night. So I'm going to pull in one of these boxes. I think I'm going to use one of these. Probably yellow. And we have practice at 5:45. I have these soccer stickers from my shop that I'm going to pull in. I'm going to put it down here in the corner. And this is Natalie's practice. I'll probably fill that in at the end. Tuesday. So Tuesday is a little bit slower. Drop off, workout. This is just kind of a free area. A lot of times I will work here and here, but I'm going to leave this open for the moment. Get some work done, pick up. I don't have any meetings or anything, but on Tuesday night, Natalie is actually going to be going to a soccer class to kind of see if she's interested in playing soccer at a higher level. So I'm going to take this label and I'm going to flip it around the other way, because I'm going to put a soccer ball on it as well. So I'm going to put the soccer ball on this side like this, so it's not next to that one. Wednesday, again, I don't have a lot going on during the week, but Wednesday night I definitely have soccer again. This is Ava's practice night. I'm going to pull in, I think, the orange box right here. And Ava's practice is at 5, but I'm going to bump it down a little bit. I know it's at 5, but I'm going to put it right there and pull in another soccer. Man, this week is like super soccer heavy. Okay. So then if I flip over, this is when it kind of lightens up a little bit. I'm going to take another one of the skinny boxes, maybe the pink, and I'm going to put it right here and then do that work sticker again. But because my kids are going to be home on Friday because I don't have school, I'm probably, I mean, I hope to get more work done, but I don't know if I will on Friday. So I'm just going to kind of leave it open. Thursday night, we don't have anything going on, I don't think. Fingers crossed, but I don't think we have anything going on. Friday there is no, or Friday's a half day. So I have to, I didn't even write this in, drop off. I guess I could try to get a workout in on Friday. Should I try? Let's go for it, right? Like I said, I'm optimistic. So we'll put it down. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. So then pickup is actually around noon. It's a little bit earlier than that. So we'll write pickup right before. And I actually think I'm going to use a box and put it up here for a half day. Maybe one of the skinny ones, maybe this yellow. Ooh, I don't like how close that is fitting though. It does fit, but let's see. Maybe we'll pull in a sticker from over here. Here we go. I'll pull in a flag and put it right here. Just to kind of let myself know that this is a half day. Okay, so pickup is there. Work probably won't get done on Friday. I don't really know, but then Saturday night we have a soccer game. I think I'll use a bigger box for a soccer game though. Let's do green. And we have soccer on Friday and Saturday. So I'm going to put this guy down here. There we go. Maybe. So we have soccer. I'm going to pull in another one. We'll put this one right in the corner. Soccer game Friday night. We have another soccer game Saturday. Oh, let's do orange because we don't have a lot of orange. Okay, so orange soccer is at 12:30. This night, my parents are actually taking my girls to this circus type thing. So I'm going to take another box and put it down here. I don't even really know what it is. It's some sort of indoor circus at our mall. All right, soccer. So those are like all the big things going on. So I want to add in a few things for myself. So I weigh in on Saturday morning. I'm gonna pull in, I think, a skinny one. So grocery shopping is going to be Saturday morning or Sunday morning. So that'll go there. Let's see what else. Laundry will get done Saturday, probably mid-morning-ish. I'm going to use another skinny box for my Sunday reset, which will probably honestly be done mid-morning here. Trash is Wednesday for us, so we'll put it on Wednesday morning. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and fill out what I can and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and changed some things around. In my sidebar, I took off the to-do list and I added my weekly tracker for my steps. I just figured that was something that I wanted to track this week. I went ahead and filled everything out, put all my soccer down here at the bottom, and on the other side, I just filled in a couple things, some soccer, some activities, things like that. So this is what it looks like all together. It is going to fill in more as the week happens, for sure, and I'll fill in my meals, things like that, but I am loving how it turned out. I love the kind of color scheme, how simple it is, but it also is super functional. This is what I have left over from the kits. I have the checklist, which I definitely could have used. I just chose not to. I have quite a few boxes left if I wanted to add more in. On this sheet, I have some thin washi I could have put like at the top for dividing if I wanted to. Some arrows, a flag, some scripts, and some icons. So I used quite a bit of the kit. Let me know if you would like to see more videos like this. This hourly planner has been my favorite lately. lately, so it has just been one that I've gravitated towards, but I will be doing the spreads in other planners as well. My A5 Daily Duo, I have my petite planners that I'm now using, maybe even a vertical planner. I guess we'll see. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!